Hey there guys, what's up and welcome back to another great video on our channel. Now let's get right into things. Dubai has many attractions that are made to draw people there, and the floating villas are one of them. In this video, we're taking a look at the inside of a floating villa in Dubai. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to our channel and do remember to hit the bell icon so you can be notified of our upcoming videos. Number 5, Heart of Europe. Dubai has been known to make some truly crazy projects on the sea. One of the more recent ones has been called the Heart of Europe, and as the name implies, it's aiming to bring some of the most popular themes of Europe to Dubai. Not only that, but many of the attractions that are going to be built for this project are going to be underwater or floating on the surface of the sea. The entire project is made up of 6 small individual islands that are going to become home to some of the most innovative tourist destinations that the world has ever seen. Their intention with this project is to get someone to experience what Europe feels like without actually going there. Number 4, uniqueness of the project.
Start. Ooh, fresh coconut on the island. Alright, let's go see the Heart of Europe.
Since this is a project unlike any other, there are bound to be some firsts along the way. One of the main things that is sure going to attract a lot of visitors is the construction of a hotel that is solely dedicated to having weddings in it. From the mock-ups of this building, it can be assumed that it's going to have a giant terrace from which the bride and groom can look down at their guests. Another amazing invention that they're going to be bringing to Dubai is the artificially rainy street. As the name implies, it's intended to be a street that is not open to the sky above. Rather, it has a roof that has the ability to rain down water on everyone below. Now, raining water down on people isn't a new technology because it's been used in movies for decades, but it's the first time someone has thought to use it for an entire street for real. All this has been estimated to cost around $5 billion. Number 3, floating villas. One part of the entire project that we discussed earlier are the floating villas. These are named the Seahorse Villas, and calling them floating villas is a bit of a marketing plot. This is because these giant houses are only partially floating as they're anchored to the sea below them. The size of one of these places is around 4,000 square feet, which is plenty of room for a family to enjoy some quality time in. Another fascinating thing about these villas is that they span 3 floors, 2 of which are above the sea while the other is beneath it. The underwater one is the best one out of them all if you enjoy watching fishes swim around right outside your window. Number 2, price. If you're as enamored by these villas as we are, then you might be wondering how much one of these will set you back. Well, initially, these villas started out being priced as just $1.6 million. That's one of the cheapest places that you'll find in all of Dubai, but that price didn't last long. As the demand for this property grew, so did its price. Nowadays, these dock boats are estimated to cost around $5.4 million each. In total, the people behind this project have planned to build 147 of these properties. You can calculate how much money that is by yourself, but just so you know, it's a lot of money. Number 1, floating Venice. These floating villas aren't the only things in Dubai that have left people with their minds blown. Another similar project that is being planned has been named Floating Venice. As you can pretty easily guess from the name, the designers behind this project are aiming to replicate the city of Venice with this project. One of the most amazing things about this project is that it has various amenities that are available below the water. Even the rooms of this project are called cabins, like the ones that are present on a boat. This is one of the very few resorts around the world where dining and other activities can be done underwater. So this was an inside look at the floating villas in Dubai. If they keep on innovating with projects like these, they're sure to see a lot of demand in the foreseeable future. Well, that about wraps up another great video which we hope you guys enjoyed. And if you did, then do leave a like to this video, and if you want more, then you can click on any one of the 2 videos that are on your screen right now. Until next time, take care and goodbye.